Welcome. Hey, it's Nate Mumford, Director of Sales Engineering here at RCS. We are live at our studios in White Plains, New York, and we are really excited this year for NAB 2019. And we thought as a teaser for those who are attending or for those who can't, we just had to showcase a little bit of a teaser, a quick look at our Zetta Cloud disaster recovery. So the number one request we get, and we've heard from customers, is how do we protect our content and revenue stream? Now that could be a wide array of problems. It can be equipment failure, natural disasters, malware, viruses, or it could be simple maintenance. Now, whatever it may be, our goal is to have you back on the air in seconds, as well as a proper backup for metadata and audio. And the first service for the Zetta Cloud, disaster recovery. Low cost, high value solution for Zetta customers. So let's take a look. You can see on my screen here, I have on the left my Zetta Cloud. On the right hand side, I have my local Zetta. Very similar sequencer on the top, library in the bottom left or bottom right, and the bottom left, that's going to be our log itself. Now, the Zetta Cloud disaster recovery, it's going to run simultaneously with your local Zetta. Any changes you make to your database in the local level is going to be reflected automatically. No pushing, none of that. Automatically reflected into your Zetta Cloud. So I'm going to do over here is I'm going to simply just go and I created a Zetta Cloud test. You can see in the library in the Zetta Cloud on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. And I'm just going to take that Zetta Cloud, I'm just going to drag it into the log itself. Very, very simple here. So I'll go ahead and drag that over here. And again, running simultaneously with the cloud and the local Zetta. You can see there. I'm going to drop it into the log right here. And the left-hand side, there is my Zetta Cloud test also in there as well. And of course, at this point in time, let's just say that disaster strikes. Something happens here, and again, whatever it may be, I could simply go on my iPhone, Android, laptop, whatever it may be. The Zetta Cloud disaster recovery is an HTML-based, it's not an application. You can have it to where, again, you can go queued up on your iPhone, Android, enable the Zetta Cloud, and then from there, if you have to voice track, maybe contact your listeners and your audience, you could simply open up a voice track module from the Zetta Cloud and simply voice track accordingly and connect to your listenership, just like that. So overall, just to review here, we have this is our Zetta Cloud disaster recovery workflow. So normal workday, you're working 9 to 5. Any changes you make, again, simultaneously get reflected into the Zetta Cloud. From there, let's just say disaster strikes, something happens. You pull out your phone, your laptop, you connect to the Zetta Cloud, you enable it, point to a certain content source, and you're back on the air, again, in seconds. From there, once your local systems are back up and running, your servers are up there, just simply restore your database. That includes your metadata, your logs, your audio. That gets pushed from the Zetta Cloud back onto your local system. And again, you're up and running. So as I said, if you're coming to NAB this year, we'd love to see you. It's our 40th birthday. We're doing a little happy hour celebration Tuesday, April 9th at 3 p.m. You can see us at the NAB stand. That's N2519. Also, you can be there with our friends over at Multicam Systems. So if you're looking at this nice, fancy camera setup, that's from our friends over at Multicam. We'd love to see you. And so, yeah, if you want to stop on by and get a full tutorial on the Zetta Cloud, we will be there. Again, N2519. If you are not, feel free to contact your local RCS salesperson and inquire more about the Zetta Cloud disaster recovery. And we'll see you there, NAB 2019.